Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you enjoy my videos related to the Christmas festival 2025. Celebration, a huge amount of variety are available. If you miss any video, then you lost the beautiful ideas of Merry Christmas decoration. Beads designs, handmade beads designs, die crafting designs, a huge amount of variety and a huge amount of collection are available on my YouTube channel. The collection is so attractive, the design is so beautiful because I try my best only was to use the creative ideas, not old ideas. So watch my videos on daily basis because this collection is very useful for you related to the decoration of Merry Christmas. Outdoor decoration is so beautiful and Merry Christmas without centerpieces, without witch designs, without outdoor decoration is so incomplete. So this collection is very useful for you related to the ideas, related to the decorations, witch design, so beautiful, so attractive, and I hope you enjoy my videos. I hope you like this video because all the collections and all the designs are so amazing. Wits designs, Merry Christmas, Wits designs, outdoor decoration, a huge amount of variety and a huge amount of collection are available. So keep watching, stay with me.